Oh yeah. Today, I am testing out Uberliss's Bond Sustainers in Nebula Blue and Cosmic Pink. I'm thinking I'm gonna do the blue on the lightest parts of like my roots, and then I'll do the pink on the ends. So it says to apply on clean hair directly and then leave it for 30 minutes. Ooh, it's dripping. I don't think I'm gonna tie my hair up this time. Maybe I should. No, I should. But I already put the dye on my hand. I'll just start back here. Whoa. Oh, it smells like fresh laundry, this one. So I believe this is supposed to repair bonds as well as dye your hair. I'm really hoping that it makes the ends of my hair down here softer, because she's been through a lot of dyes. Ta-da! Isn't that fun? Wow. I'm blue, yeah, I'm blue, blue, blah, bloop. I'm blue. I wish I had a better word to explain this scent. You guys want to see my method for the back? It's pretty redonkulous. Ooh. How's it looking? Touching? What? Oh, it's so pretty. I feel like it's like mermaidy, which is exactly what I wanted. Look, it is going a little green because my hair is like pretty orange.
It's looking good. That color looks awesome. Your summer mermaid dream.
That's what I was literally saying, that my summer mermaid dreams are coming true. Alright, now we're going in with the cosmic pink. Smell test. Does it smell different or the same? Oh, you know what? I don't know. So I'm curious to see how this is going to make my hair feel on the ends here. I haven't done a shade of pink like this before. Oh no, I just dropped a lot. I don't want to put pink up here because it's so light and I didn't put any blue there. I think now we just wait 30 minutes and then whatever I missed, we'll do it again after. Catch you in 30. Alrighty, it has been 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna rinse it out with some cold water. Makes it last way longer. I am all washed up and pretty much dry. So I did miss a few spots, but that's fine. I'll add some more within the next couple days. But look, I didn't blend it into the pink at all. It is feeling nice and soft as well. So I'm going to do my makeup and style my hair. So it's actually the next day. I got way too tired. It was way too late at night for me to do my makeup that intensely. I've done my makeup now. It's mermaid inspired, and I've done my little hair wrap thingamajiggies with the embroidery floss. Now I am going to add some volume and flippin' fun to my hair. So I have this thermal protection and anti-humidity spray with me. I'm excited to use. I really needed one because I've been using a lot of heat on my hair lately, and we always need some protection. The instructions say, spray evenly on damp or dry hair prior to heat styling. Do not oversaturate hair for additional shine. Use as a finisher. Lightly mist onto your finished style. Cool. We're gonna do a little mist. Oh, takes a second to get going. Ooh. I hope this isn't what they meant by oversaturate. Ooh, it's like, it has got like a shine to it. It's almost like a oil. I'm gonna do a little Flippity flip. Oh my gosh. Trust the process, okay? I feel like my hair is curling better than usual. Like it's usually not this cooperative. Heat protectant is good too because it'll protect the color. I'm gonna try this dry shampoo. Their Powder Bliss dry shampoo. It says shake gently, hold the pump 3 inches from dry hair. Apply dry shampoo powder in desired areas. Allow product to absorb oils. Blend the powder into the hair with fingers or a brush. Style as desired. Apply more dry shampoo powder as needed. If you have excessive powder buildup, blow out hair with blow dryer on cool setting. I've never seen instructions for how to remove dry shampoo, so that's really cool. Ooh. For my dry shampoos, I'm very picky about them. The 2 things that I really care about is 1, does it leave a white cast? And 2, does it make my hair feel dirtier than it was before? Right now, my hair feels very clean. And I personally don't see any white cast. So I'm going to take this Flexin Hairspray. Directions: spray product evenly on dry hair. Product may be used before and after styling to achieve optimal hold. Ooh. This one smells like cucumber. It doesn't have that like really stinky like hairspray smell. It just smells like cucumber. It's a very soft hairspray. Here is the final look. I can't believe I was walking around looking so crusty for so long when I could have been looking this beautiful. You can find the Bond Sustainers on the Urban Outfitters website and everything else on Uberliss.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please put in the comments what color you'd like to see me do next, and be sure to subscribe. Till next time.